If you're thinking about grabbing the Geenie Prisma LED Strip to light up your rooms with vibrant colors and easy smart control, then hold up, because I'm about to reveal some surprising problems that might make you think twice before buying. But here's what surprised me. While it promises endless colors, Alexa compatibility, and easy installation, there are some hidden frustrations users don't often mention. So, stick around because I'm diving deep into why this popular LED strip, despite its cool features, might not be the best choice for your smart home setup. Ready to find out if it really lives up to the hype or if you should be looking elsewhere? Let's get into it. First off, who exactly is the Geenie Prisma LED strip for? If you're someone wanting quick, vibrant lighting for your closet, kitchen, or TV setup, or maybe you're trying to make your TikTok videos pop with color, this strip sounds right up your alley. It's weatherproof, so theoretically, you can even use it outdoors, and the promise of controlling those lights with Alexa or Google Home might seem like the ultimate convenience. The price? Just $17.99 on Amazon, which seems like a steal for smart LED strips. With a 4.1 rating, it's got some fans, but let's dig into the real experience. Now imagine you get your Geenie Prisma LED strip, peel off the adhesive, slap it on your wall or TV and crank the colors up. Feels like magic at first, right? But then, here's where things start to trip up. The first problem people run into is the app experience. The Geenie app claims you can control your lights from anywhere and create schedules or routines, but the reality is sometimes it's glitchy or slow to respond. You might feel like you're playing hide and seek with your own lights. Ever feel like your LED strip is ghosting you? Yep, same here. And here's another kicker. The strong adhesive isn't always so strong. If your surface isn't perfectly smooth or dust-free, those strips can start peeling off, and then you're left fishing behind your couch with your fingertips to restick it. Plus, extending the strip for longer runs can be a hassle if you don't have the exact connectors or know how to solder. Yep, some manual work involved if you're not careful. But wait, I promised you get some juicy twists, right? Well, here's something I didn't expect. Compatibility woes. While it says it works with both Google Home and Alexa, some users have found it a struggle to sync up, or the voice commands can be delayed and inconsistent. When the tech that's supposed to simplify your life gets all tangled up, it's less smart and more smart-alec. Picture trying to tell Alexa to set the mood lighting and ending up with your kitchen looking like a disco gone wrong. Now that's a party nobody asked for. Okay, let me rehook you with a quick question. Are these downsides deal breakers for everyone? Not necessarily. If you're someone who loves tinkering or only wants to use the lights occasionally, these issues might not bother you as much. But if you want reliable, seamless smart lighting that integrates smoothly with your home assistant and stays put without extra fuss, I'd say proceed cautiously. There's definitely a learning curve here. Let's talk brightness and colors because that's a big selling point of the Geenie Prisma. The strips do offer a dazzling array, thousands of colors and temperature variations, which sounds like the perfect backdrop for any setting. Whether you want warm, soft tones for a cozy night or wild rainbows for a party, you have options. However, one thing users consistently mention is the brightness isn't always as strong as they hoped. So if you're expecting these to light up a large room as your main source, you might be disappointed. They're better suited as accent lighting or mood enhancers. Think of them like that one friend who's always fun but rarely brings steaks to the potluck. Now for a funny little note. Installing LED strips can sometimes feel like a jigsaw puzzle designed by a prankster. The instructions are surprisingly minimal and vague. Good luck trying to figure out which piece connects where without looking up extra videos. If you're not the DIY type, you might find yourself tangled in wires, wondering if your LED strip is secretly testing your patience. I half expected to find a secret instruction that said, just wing it. But enough gloom. Geenie doesn't leave you totally in the dark. One positive aspect is the waterproof feature, which isn't super common in this price range. So if you want those glowing vibes near a bathroom mirror or outside on your deck, it's a handy perk. Also, the ability to use the Geenie app to customize colors and set schedules means you can create ambience exactly how you want it. Just be prepared to battle a slightly clunky app interface. Here's another twist to chew on: customer support. When you hit a snag, getting help can feel like calling tech support in an alternate dimension. Some buyers report delayed responses or generic replies that don't actually solve their issues. It's frustrating when you're just trying to get a smart light strip to work as promised and end up talking to robots instead of humans. Makes you wonder if the lights are doing the ghosting for a reason. Now, can all these problems spoil your mood? Absolutely not. The Geenie Prisma LED strip can still be a game changer for the right user. If you like a bit of hands-on setup, don't need ultra-bright main lighting, and want a budget-friendly entry into smart home lighting, this strip packs a punch. Plus, the community of users sharing tips and tricks on forums can help smooth out some of the hurdles. Wondering how it compares to other LED strips in the market? Well, at just under $18 and with weatherproofing plus Alexa and Google compatibility, it offers good value, especially if you're on a tighter budget. However, if you want something foolproof and ultra-bright, you might want to invest more in premium brands. Think of Geenie like the budget-friendly sprinter, fast out of the gate but sometimes missing that finishing kick. Let me share a story to wrap this up. I helped a friend install the Geenie Prisma strip behind his TV for that cinematic feel. You know, those smooth color changes while watching movies. The installation was a bit tricky because the adhesive didn't stick well to the textured wall, and connecting extra strips meant fiddling with connectors he wasn't used to. But once set up, the smart control wowed his family, and the mood lighting was exactly what he wanted. So, despite the hiccups when it works well enough to brighten your space and your day. Before we finish, I promise some jokes because lighting up your day shouldn't be all about complaints. Why did the light bulb fail school? Because it wasn't too bright. Or how many LED strips does it take to change a light bulb? None. Just change color instead. And here's a smart one. Why did the smart home break up with the light strip? It said it needed some space. Plus, the connection was too flaky. Lastly, if a Geenie LED strip tells a joke, is it glowing with humor or just flashing a smile? So after all this deep dive, should you buy the Geenie Prisma LED strip? If you want affordable, colorful, and customizable smart lighting and don't mind a bit of setup hassle, it's a solid choice, especially if you're on a budget or want outdoor-friendly options. But if you want absolute reliability with zero fuss, you might want to shop around or consider premium options. If you're ready to take the plunge and brighten up your home with the Geenie Prisma LED strip, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Remember, prices can change fast, so if you see a deal, don't wait too long. Lighting can totally change a space, and with a little patience, the Geenie Prisma strip can light up your life in style. Thanks for watching. And if you want more honest reviews and tips on cool smart home gadgets, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, may your lights be bright and your tech glitches light.